We are on our way to
Asheville.
Just
where the
me and
land
him.
is
Just
great.
him and I. Me and him.
Ain't
us
no
two.
kids.
Ain't no dogs. Ain't no chickens. Ain't no nobody.
No complaints. Ain't no whining.
Got spritzer waters, but no complaints. We are headed there now to enjoy a little rest and relaxation for our anniversary.
I'm gonna see some friends.
Yep.
I like seeing friends.
Mm-hmm.
But so this year, most people, their 11th, this is our 11th anniversary, if somebody besides us is watching this. And so we've been married 11 years, which is not like a out there birthday for most people. But we were married, our anniversary date was 11/11/11. We've been married for 11 years.
Yeah.
And it's the year 2022, so it's 11/11/22.
Uh-huh.
So 11 years since 11/11/11, and the year is 22, which is exactly double 11. So there's a lot of cool, fun, interesting
special
things.
Anyway, we'll take y'all along with us, and
There's a leprechaun riding a unicorn, and they're both farting rainbows somewhere because of all the randomness.
no idea what that meant, but okay. I'll see you guys soon. Made it, y'all. Made it to the mountains just as the sun was setting. Our ears are popping. Are your ears popping?
They're starting to.
Yeah. My ears are popping.
A lot of videoing. Oh my goodness. Hey there, buddy. What you cooking?
Lamb. Lemon leg.
Lemon. Got some lamb and some taters.
Yorkshire pudding prep.
Yorkshire pudding. Mm-mm. Where are we?
Made it to the Biltmore.
Oh yeah,
It's a beautiful day too.
it is beautiful. We're gonna go check it out. Hello. would be a cool transition for it.
Hey everybody,
What's up?
just wanted to give you a little update on what we've been doing and what we're doing. Yesterday we went to the Biltmore and had the pleasure of seeing that beautiful estate, the gardens. We walked and got to enjoy the whole tour of the mansion, and it was all decorated for Christmas. Every single room had a tree in it. I mean, it was a commitment. Somebody made a commitment to doing all those Christmas trees, and it was just beautiful. And today we're going on a waterfall hunt.
We about to find some waterfalls.
Yep, so we're going on a waterfall hunt with our friend Nick, who is a local here, and he knows all of the spots. So he's going to take us to 2 spots, maybe 3 spots to see waterfalls.
Yeah, it's 7 o'clock.
We went
Good morning. How's it going?
It's going good.
Wait,
Look at it, it's beautiful.
time change.
Oh my goodness.
Ready for an adventure?
Oh, we are so ready. Are you ready for
I'm ready.
adventure?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Are you ready, Nicole?
Ready.
Are you ready, mountains, for adventure?
Where are we?
In the woods.
Okay, cool. We're in the woods. Bye.
It was at this point in the editing process of this video that I realized we had gone to Asheville with the intention of making a great video and having a great time. And we did. But I realized that all we had gotten was shots that we thought would be cool to put with music. And when we got home to edit it, and we looked through all the amazing footage that we had, we realized that there was not much talking. So, I apologize if this video has too much music for you, but it is what it is. Anyways, enjoy one more montage.
Everything changed the format of these wrappings. Try to confuse the audience quite a lot, which is why.
Greetings.
Well,
Ryan's
hello.
driving,
I'm
as
driving.
you just saw.
It is raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
Hurricane Nicole is tearing up Florida right now.
Apparently, I'm pretty destructive.
Nicole is very destructive.
This hurricane. Games called me yesterday and he said, "Mom, are you destroying Florida?" I said, "Not that I know of, but maybe." So, anyway, I don't think it's really that bad. It's just funny because it's Hurricane Nicole. So, we're on our way home. We're leaving Asheville. We're sad to leave Asheville, but we're also excited to see the family, and we're excited to see our chickens and doggies and sleep in our bed.
Yeah.
So,
It's that bittersweet moment where you don't want to leave, but you're ready to get home and see everybody you missed.
yeah.
And we missed the boys and mom and dad and the chickens. I don't think they were able to make it inside by themselves a single night.
No, Ryan's dad was very helpful. So.
But Asheville was amazing. It was awesome. And well, this might just be one long montage of a video. I don't know. We'll see when we get back.
Put it all
Just a
together.
montage of
clips because we just kept getting video clips of things we thought were cool. And there's so much cool stuff in Asheville. So our friends Nick and Erica are absolutely amazing in showing us around.
Thank y'all so much.
Yeah, cooking good food for us, sending us to the good restaurants. 12 out of 10
Oh,
rating for Asheville.
12 out of 10.
If y'all have ever been to Asheville, let us know your favorite thing about it down in the comments below. What was your favorite thing if you had to pick one?
Probably the waterfall.
Which one?
A looking glass.
Looking glass. I think I like the, I did like that one because you can get close. I like Triple Falls a lot. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. And hiking the fire tower. I don't know. It was all fun.
All fun. All fun. So, until next time, y'all don't forget, we're trying to grow this thing. So y'all, oh gosh, we just hit a puddle. Y'all like and subscribe. We're out here doing dangerous things for this. Okay, bye.
Bye.